Hello, in this video I'll talk about how to make a relief of this in ArtCAM. So first we create a new model. I give it size 20 and 60 millimeter. Okay, and we draw a ellipse with 28, 60. Create and put it in the center of the page, and then we use the shape editor and give it set height of 4 millimeter. Apply, and then we use fade relief. Fade from 20, 30 to 0.30, and make it 80%. So here is not 0. The height of here is not 0. Okay, so this is the pattern we need. Apply, and then we open the clipart library and create a new folder of your own, and then we put it, give a name, title, and drag it in here. Okay, so we no need to save this file. We create a new one and give it a size 200 and 200. No. Okay, then we open this, and before we do this, we can show grid, so we can see the grid here, and I set the distance between the dots is 50. Okay, so I drag it in, give it a coordinate 100 and this. Okay, then we use this rotate copy, change the mode to rotate, and center we make it to here, yeah, to this center of the page, and copy every 10 degree, and the total copies is 36, so it's a one circle. Apply, and here in the paste option we make it to merge high and paste. So we got this flower pattern, and you can adjust the thickness if you don't satisfied. For now it's okay, and I give this a name, flower, and drag it inside the relief library. Okay, then we create a new model again, give it a bigger size, 800 and 1200. Okay, here I open this and drag it in, and give it the position to 0 and 1200. Okay, I do a block copy and make the gap to 0, row to 1, and the column make it 5, and apply. Okay, and paste. Okay, then I drag another one, make the center to 0 and it's 1 1 2 0. Make here. Okay, 6 and apply. So we can see here, and we change the mode to replace and paste. So we get this. Okay, so now let's get it. The next, make it matrix. Drag it in. And here we reset the relief. We drag it in. For this point, we make it 0. Like this, and we do 1 column and 8 rows maybe. Yeah, this is okay. And I change the direction and apply. The distance is not okay, so I Ctrl Z to cancel, and Y gap and make it -80. Okay, looks alright this time. So I use the replace and paste. Okay, so finally we get this work down, and we can turn off the grid. You can see here's the relief we finally get, and you can use it on your woodwork project. Okay, thank you for watching.